Hi, I'm Guy Cook, and I want you to tell me, do you know the three main areas of focus in evaluating AI responses? Now, when I say AI, I don't mean Adobe Illustrator, and I don't mean androgen and sensitivity. Look that one up. I don't know what it means. Anyway, as far as artificial intelligence, the three things that you want to measure, evaluate. Is it relevance? Is it good for your business? Is it accurate? And does it have clarity? Is it coming off like a big puddle of mud? Then maybe rewrite it, redo it. Okay? So keep those points in mind, the relevance, the accuracy, the clarity when you're auditing your AI responses, and those are going to give you top-notch answers to whatever it is that you're about. Oh, and hey, contact me. Use the secure contact form on GuyRCook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up, and then click on the bell and subscribe to future episodes. I've got them so you can get them. It's a wrap.